What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can unsend a message on Instagram. So if you have sent a message and you don't want that person to see it, you want to delete it or to unsend it quickly, what you want to do, guys, first you want to open the conversation that you have with that person, and then what you want to do, guys, on your message, if you see their seen, that means this person saw that message, that there is nothing you can do to make it not appear to that person because they already saw it. So if you just want to unsend the message, you want to press and hold on the message, on your message, press and hold, and then it will, two different options will come up. You want to click on unsend and it will disappear. As you can see, the message disappeared. If the person didn't see the message, then you can just click unsend and this person won't be able to see the message because you clicked unsend before this person saw the message. So that's exactly, guys, what I am trying to say. You can do this on group chats and DMs or whatever. Hopefully, guys, this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like, subscribe. If you have any questions about Instagram or messaging or whatever, let me know in the comments. I reply to everything.